What's up, party people? In Tijuana, walking down the Plaza Market, whatever you call it, around the corner from the arch. I'll show you that in a second. That's where all the flags and everything is up there. You hear the music in the background. Let me give y'all a 360. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk y'all over to, oh, that's what I wanted to show y'all, the arch. Let me see, where is it at? Can y'all see it? Yeah, so there's no way you can be in Tijuana and not at least visit the arch and the market. So having fun, wishing I had a few of y'all with me, but other than that, welcome to another ride day.
Orlando.
Found my Don Julio margarita. I'm in Popotla Fishing Village, right on the water. It's about 5 minutes south of Rosarito Beach. Got all types of seafood. I wish I was here early this morning because they bring in like all the live catch, and they had like what they call the spider crabs. It would be like bigger than my head, but I think I missed that. But I'm gonna definitely enjoy some fresh caught lobster, shrimp, fish. I ordered a combination, so hopefully it won't be too much for me. But I'm starving. I've been riding all day. And let me give you the sights. Hold on. Look how pretty that is.